Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you why if you get anything at the thrift store, you need to wash it separately from your regular clothes. So this is a small red coin purse that spent 20 minutes in some warm water. And look at the amount of dye that bled off this too. This is a shockingly large amount of dye for 20 minutes. If I put this in the laundry with my other clothes, this would have absolutely ruined all my other clothes. This is especially important if you get anything like vintage red items from the thrift store. Also, ignore the little black hairbrush. I was using it to stir the water. Blues and greens and other colors don't tend to have that much of a problem, but I've noticed red shirts, red pants, red anything that's vintage tends to have a lot more this kind of problem. All right, take care.